this next topic, there's a brand new Tesla full self-driving update rolling out, and the best feature, this is a big update that's rolling out because the no NAG is coming to full self-driving. Let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deal hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Tesla Newswire. They posted this. Full self-driving supervised version 12.4 has been released to employees through the 2024.9.5 update. As expected, to remove the wheel NAG to the new vision-based attention monitoring feature that works under the following conditions. The vehicle has a cabin camera. The camera is not occluded, so like obstructed, because there are some accessories you can block it. There's sufficient light, interesting, so like maybe nighttime doesn't work. The driver is looking forward at the road ahead, that makes sense. No sunglasses, interesting, because that is kind of like a under not necessarily known hack where you can kind of trick full self-driving, but now it says if you got sunglasses, no, it is going to keep nagging you. No objects covering the eyes like hats. Interesting. So yes, it's coming out. Elon did say that no NAG is coming out, and so you won't have to be as annoyed when driving on full self-driving, but it's got a bunch of strict rules as coming to Tesla. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. I'm excited to try it out. We finally got full self-driving on our Model X, the trial, the beta, and I'm impressed. I gotta say, I've said a lot of different things. I was a naysayer about full self-driving in the past, but now it's quite good and actually can be usable in your daily commute, driving through downtowns or cities and highways, of course. But certainly it is a very, very, very nice thing, and maybe I might sign up for it from time to time again, depending on what type of driving I'm going to be doing or all around. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts on it.